Hello dear viewers, this is Mati Global and another video. We are in Krabi City. I decided to just go through the city and I will explore. So dear viewers, I'm on Maharaj Street. Here you have the name. And here you can see elephants. So this whole street is full of elephants. You cannot see it now, but above each lamp there are elephants. I will show it to you. I will show this to you tomorrow. But according to Google, this street is the main street with all the stuff. So you have a lot of restaurants, bar, and according also to what I found, you can be also disappointed with what you will find, because as you can see, there is almost nothing here. There are some nice cars out of nowhere here, but normally I'm going now 5 minutes and my hotel was like in the main destination. There was something, but out of that area, which was pretty small, there is nothing what I could even show it to you. One thing that is definitely worth to mention is that the city is full of motorbikes. Maybe it's not the same as Vietnam and so on, but we have here really a lot of salons where you can buy each kinds of motorbikes, mostly scooters. So yeah, Asia is leading. Let me check the internet. What are the statistics? So looking at statistics, Taiwan is top one according to how many motorcycles they have per 100 people. They have 60. Vietnam is second, Malaysia, Indonesia, and then Thailand. So 1/3 of people have already a motorcycle. So pretty much insane. So dear viewers, I have made already 3,000 steps, but frequently it's like that, yeah? So there is nothing really interesting to show you, but I will keep going. I will not give up, and let's see. Lizard. And dear viewers, please don't get me wrong. When I'm saying there is nothing interesting here, I'm still really satisfied with Thailand. I would like to live here for months. And when I'm saying there is nothing interesting, there is maybe nothing interesting for a tourist, like regular one. But for a person who loves walking, and I'm just strolling here and there, this is my dreams come true. So yeah, Thailand is super great, and let's find some hidden gems. I still need to use to, because here they are driving on the left side and I don't know when to go safely through the street. So I always need to be cautious. This is what you can expect maybe from these karaoke bars, but also there was a lot of places like that on Riley. So almost each restaurant, each pub, they had their own singer, and there was a live show. All kinds of stuff, from rock music to some, typical pop and other genres. So yeah, this is something what is a big plus in Thailand. And also a big plus for a lot of greenery, because that is almost sneaking out everything out of every corner. And this is something what I haven't seen in Railay. So you have food on the street. Also on each corner you can see these small Buddhist temples, and people are offering here a lot of stuff. Mostly I have seen red Fanta recently, probably mostly in the city, but you see also these flowers. You could buy them in that temple that we have seen in the previous video. And yeah, this is pretty awesome. So let's go. Hey kitty. And elephant. Elephant is pretty much everywhere, so probably this is a national animal. So dear viewers, here you can see animals, and yes, I have checked, and these creatures really are national animals. They are super wise, So we need to trust them, but also we should protect these animals. Because early 20s, the population was 100,000 of elephants. Now we have around 3,000 captive and 3,000 wild elephants. So the population is slightly, the trend, these are going up again, but this is listed as endangered animals since 2021, so quite recently. So I hope that the trend will be moving forward and it will really change for better, because these are amazing creatures. And now I need to go through the street. So here you have one more time the animal, the most beautiful animal here, and I need to run for life. I decided to go back, so I will take another street right now and I will head once again to the main Krabi City. And here, dear viewers, this is a king of Thailand. I just checked on the internet and this is the guy. So according to the internet, this guy is one of the wealthiest monarchs in the world, and you don't even know what is his real value, but it is estimated it is between 30 and 70 billion dollars. So a lot of money. He has also background in military, and also he is known from having a lot of children in different marriages, all stuff like that. So you always know these gossips and stuff and monarchs. This is the life. But now let's get back to the most basic stuff, which is walking and seeing his kingdom. You have a lot of small shops selling some food, probably one of the easiest if you are on motorbike and if you are on the car and would like to eat something fast. And classic 7-Eleven. While people here are smiling to me, I was thinking how important the tourism is for this country. And definitely it's very important, but it was something that was unexpected to get to know that it is only 8 to 9% of gross domestic product. So not much. Of course it's a lot, but not that much as I thought. And it was before pandemic, it was much more. Hello. It was much more because it was 20%. And right after pandemic, it was around 4%. So it's growing again. So once again, dear viewers, I'm in the middle of the Krabi City and everything is happening around these few streets. Here I see area of shops with cannabis. So if you like ganja or if you would like to try, smoke is here, cannabis shop there. Hakuna Matata Cafe. So everybody who knows the subject will find something interesting. You can smell it everywhere. So now we are one more time back to the market next to my hotel. I need to drink some coffee or some boba. Let's see. There is a nice one next to my hotel. But here, this is definitely the place to be. So if I would need to put one pin on the map that is number one, that would be definitely this place, because you have plenty of restaurants, plenty of different stuff that you can buy and be happy.
You should ask him to.
and Blue Monkey is my hotel. Maybe this is not in style of Mati Global, but for ladies there is really plenty of nail salons and stuff for lashes. Well, corner you have really a lot of shakes, smoothies, stuff like that, so I decided to take something what is really the most basic one and the most delicious, so mango and coconut milk. What's the price? 85 baht. So dear viewers, these are my smoothies. I paid 85 bahts and I think that English here is not the best, or maybe my English, because I just ordered one mixed smoothie. But I know it's healthy, I will drink it. And dear viewers, this is exactly what I was talking about. They are giving some kind of est, almost look like cola, to the Buddha. And it's nothing unusual. So cheers. I have one last aim. I have seen there far away an illuminated place looking like amusement park or something. Let's see what is this and then see you tomorrow, but for now don't go anywhere. Let's go. So this is some kind of promenade, and here is the Krabi River. Out of this river the Krabi City was named. And here we have some artistic this is definitely some out of ordinary artistic stuff, so I don't really know. It's giving you a lot of different vibes inside of you. I feel some kind of Arabic music. I definitely don't feel like in Thailand with this stuff, so interesting. Also the falcon or some kind of also the falcon, this is mostly for me associated with the desert and Arabs. Maybe this is some kind of Arabic stuff, I don't know. River restaurant. Looks beautiful, definitely a place to which we would like to go on a date. Are really cool looking trees, like from Pocahontas. I think that these illuminations looked for me like amusement park from far away. So dear viewers, this is the place that I definitely mistaken with amusement park. This is real street food. So you can buy very delicious stuff here. All kinds of stuff that I cannot even name. Fruits, nuts, and many more. And a lot of illuminations, so maybe there are some amusement park attractions. Let's see in a moment. But definitely there are really crazy things to eat. White shrimps. Sushi. And for seafood lovers, all kinds of stuff. And it's very foggy. all barbecue are fuming. All kinds of insects. Nice. These ones are big. Ha! I was not mistaken. Amusement park. So this is the end. I'm saying goodbye to you. I'm not sure if this place is something what is fixed because I couldn't find on the map anything that I could even mention to you. So I think this is some kind of one-off event. Nevertheless, it was a pleasure to be here, and that is the happy ending because unexpectedly all the people were here, really excited to be here, and I will just go find something for me, spend some time, and see you tomorrow in the next videos. Bye bye dear viewers, Mati Global. Bye.